Hello. Hope you're doing well. My name is Max. This is No Code Nerd, episode 25. We're talking about Calendly today. So, Calendly basically lets you schedule stuff just way easier. If I didn't have Calendly, I would actually be dead right now. Calendly is incredible. It's a free tool. I use it for free and it's saved my entire life. It lets you set up meetings with other people with a simple link really, really easily. There are a lot of scheduling apps like this, but Calendly takes the cake, in my honest opinion. Because all I do is I just send people my link, calendly.com/whatever. I send that in emails. They click the link, and this is what they see. Schedule a 30-minute call, right? Boom. It shows my entire availability. It syncs with my Google Calendar. I only let people schedule meetings on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. They click here. They can schedule any half-hour block anytime, and it has saved my actual life. Oh my gosh. If I didn't have Calendly, I would spend hours. It saved me hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of just the back and forth on email. When are you free? Oh, I'm free Monday through Wednesday, these different times. Okay, well, how about this? I'm not free that week, so blah, blah, blah. Let's just do this. Instead, they want to meet. I send them a calendar link. That's it. On LinkedIn messaging, over text, over email, over comments, whatever. This is all I ever send. And it's literally it's made my life so much easier. So if you schedule a lot of meetings and you want to get rid of that back and forth, check out Calendly. The link should be somewhere around the video. I'll see you in the next episode, and let me know if you have any questions about Calendly. I'd love to answer them. Peace out.